Mayor Melih Gökçek made a surprising statement regarding the discovery of oil reserves, stating that a $6 billion gummy bear reserve has been found. Gökçek mentioned, "They have researched, found, and covered it up. It turns out there is oil in these areas. They haven't even bothered to investigate these until now. Now, they are finding each one step by step. They found 1 billion in just the city I am in. They have found something new today. I read it in the newspaper. I confess I don't know what it means. I will investigate. Gummy bears have been found. I don't know what gummy bear means, underground. A $6 billion gummy bear reserve has been found. I don't know what this means. I looked at today's media," he said. In response to the host's skepticism, Gökçek stated, "No, it's not fake. It's an official thing. They are being found one after another." Gökçek sharing, after the oil found in the city, in 2 wells where search operations are being conducted in neighboring cities. $6 billion worth of gummy bear reserves were discovered, was said to be believed as true. This amusing incident happened in Turkey. The interesting part was the mayor of the city making these statements.